It happened almost by accident. That's how I remembered anyway. My wife Julie and I had no expectations that our newest book, Harris Rules, would sell literally thousands of copies within the first week of it being for sale. We hoped that over time, Harris Rules would find an audience. We hoped that one day it would be appreciated for making a positive contribution to the lives of our coaching clients. Those were our hopes. Perhaps we needed to think a little bigger, because what happened next simply stunned us. Almost overnight, the book went from being hot new release on Amazon to becoming the #1 bestseller on Amazon. It didn't stop there. The book became the #1 bestseller in Canada, France, Brazil, Australia, England. Think about that for a second. Our book, Harris Rules, a book that we wrote for you, was one of the world's top-selling nonfiction books on Amazon. How did all this happen so quickly? How did the book earn hundreds of 5-star reviews? Listen to this review. Absolutely just hits every spot on the head, especially for a newbie like myself. No BS, straight to the point, just like I like it. A must read. Here's another one. In regards to real estate, it's the best book out there, period. It contains everything you need to develop a successful real estate career. Tim's mantra of doing what you don't want to do and you don't want to do at the highest level rings in my head every day. Thank you. Bottom line, please do consider purchasing Harris Rules, and thank you again for all of you who have helped make Harris Rules the #1 international bestseller that it is.